Hello guys, welcome to my channel. On today's video, I'll be teaching on how it started. I've been getting a lot of requests from you guys to do a video about this. So this video is going to teach you guys how it all started. So without wasting much of our time, let's go into the video. Alright guys, so to do how it started, first of all, you go to your InShot app. So when you come to your InShot, you are going to click on video. When you click on video, click on new. So here we are going to select a video. So I'll go ahead and select one of my videos for this tutorial. So this is the video. It has been imported into InShot. Alright, so I'm going to select a part of this video for how it started. Let's assume that I want to select this place for how it started on my video. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this video and I'll go to split. So I'm going to split it and I'll play the video to the part that I want the how it started to stop. So I'm going to play right away for it to play. Also, when you use sounds that does not belong to you, this must not be videos, this must not be music. It can be jingles that you integrate in your video to make it funny. Some of these jingles that we include in our video has been trademarked already. So when you use them, you will automatically be flagged by Facebook. So let's assume that I want the video to stop here, the how it started to stop here. So I'm going to click again and click on split. So down here you can see that I'll split here from here to here. So what I'm going to do is to click on this place that I'll split now and go to duplicate. So I'll click on duplicate and you see that this particular place has been duplicated. Look at it. So this part now I'm going to click it and I will drag it to the beginning of this video, as you can see here. So let me play again. Also, when you use sounds that does not belong to this must not be video. So you see the place that I cut out is now in the front of this video. So the next thing to do is to come here. You can see this place. You can see right here between this video and this video. You will see here. What we are going to do is to click on add. Click on add. To click on add, click on blank here. So a new blank space will be added. Let me play the video by Facebook. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to shorten this blank space. So maybe a second or two. So let me play again by Facebook. So the next thing to do now is for you to click on this blank space and go to test. Go to test here and write how it started. It started. So select the color to white and the border to white, as if you want to use border. So I'll leave it this way. Maybe I'll enlarge it a bit. I can put a transition. If you wish to put a transition, look at transitions here. You see them. Whichever one you want to use, you can use. Or if you don't want, just leave it that way. Just leave it blank. Right? So now the next thing to do is to come here and make sure you drag this text from the beginning of this blank space to the end. It should not exceed the corners of this blank space. So after that has been done, let's play it again and see. Facebook. Hello guys. So the next thing for you to do now is to come back to music. Click on music and you click on effects. When you click on effects, click on popular. Look at popular here on each shot. Then you are going to come down and select beep, blip, blip. So I'm going to click on use and it will be inserted. So now let's play it and see once again.
Flagged by Facebook. Hello guys.
So that is how it is done.
So if the video was helpful, please do well to subscribe to my channel, share this video and give it a thumb up. Till I call your way next time, I remain Justice Chibike. Keep creating.